everyone, Sojourner from sojournerwilliams.com. I am going to present to you a very quick and easy summertime facial toner that you can make in about 2 minutes. So quick and easy, you can do it with a sleeping newborn on your arm. You only need one hand for this. So I'm going to start with I have a 12-ounce bottle here. And it's a glass bottle. I always use glass for my products because I don't have to worry about any toxins coming in from the plastic. And I use cobalt or amber, or even you can use like the green tinted glass. You just want some sort of a tint because it helps to filter out the sun in the event that you should leave it out. Sunlight can disintegrate the essential oils. As you see, essential oils themselves even come in like amber colored glass vials. So I've got my colored glass here, 12 ounces. And I'm going to begin with my witch hazel. This is the basis for my toner. Witch hazel is astringent, it is natural, and it is so good for your skin. So we're eyeballing it here today about 90% of the way. So it doesn't even matter what size your glass bottle is. 90% full. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And I'm just leaning back a little bit to make sure I can see how I'm doing, squeezing still. So this is going to help to draw impurities out of the pores. It's going to cleanse and close the pores off a little bit as well. Witch hazel gives your skin a nice natural sheen. It like dries out some oiliness without creating dryness. So it's a really nice balancing option. Great for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Almost there at 90% of the way full. The one thing about this blue cobalt is that it's hard to see. So I've got my 90% filled. So right here I have some cedar bark tincture that I harvested myself. You can get cedar bark tincture at some natural food stores. You can order it on Amazon, but it's really, really great because cedar bark is it's astringent and it is anti-inflammatory and it's antimicrobial and antibacterial. I'm going to add about a teaspoon. So I'm eyeballing that here. I've got 4 squeezes of my dropper. I know that that is about a teaspoon. And so when I made this, I used vodka as my base for my tincture. And vodka is great for the skin. It is antibacterial, antimicrobial. It helps to tone and preserve the skin, and it's very moisturizing. So just throwing that out there for anyone who has some vodka hanging around. Now we're going to start adding our essential oils. I'm going to begin with juniper berry. Juniper berry is astringent, it's cleansing, it pulls impurities right out of the pores. So I'm going to add 5 drops of juniper berry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bloop. And is it okay if you accidentally get a 6th or 7th drop in there? Yes, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Lavender essential oil. I'm going to use more lavender than anything else. Love lavender. This is antibacterial, antimicrobial, and it helps to reduce inflammation, and it like softens and calms the skin. So I'm going to put 10 drops of my lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flip. I think I got maybe an 11 and a 12 there, which is going to be fine. And my Helicrhrysam Essential Oil. Love Helichrysam. It helps to regenerate the skin. And if there are any scars, there were 5 drops there. I was talking and I couldn't process it. So there are 5 drops of Helichrysam. It helps to regenerate the skin, cellular regeneration. It's amazing. Any scarring, any dark spots, helps to just like reduce and balance out the skin. So now I have my concoction here. I'm going to put my top on. Flip, flip, flip. That's all it takes to blend everything together. It smells so, so good. This you can keep right on your counter in your bathroom or in a cabinet. Remember, it's glass, so we want to be super careful. This will last months. This will last a year easily. So as long as you don't get water in there, you don't want to get water in there. As long as you don't get water in there, you're good to go. A little cotton ball, dab, 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 morning and night, and enjoy. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, it seems as though I might have written a book. And the book that I wrote is called Natural Beauty from the Outside In, and it's available wherever books are sold. So there are 70 recipes in this book that you can explore along this vein. This recipe is not in the book, so this is a unique one here, but there are 70 plus recipes in here so you can play around in your kitchen and craft your own natural bath and beauty products.